Okay, some of you may be wondering how I built these buildings out of cardboard, etc. And I'm going to show you how to do that by making the cast house. Now the cast house is where the molten iron comes out of the blast furnace, and then it goes through a channel over to a couple of runners and into the hot metal car. And if you don't know what a hot metal car is, these are hot metal cars. This is what I call a torpedo car, and this is a submarine car. So you can't have your building too tall, maybe only about this tall here, because the rest of the furnace has got to stick up above the roof to the cast house. So I'm going to use the old cast house because it's already made, and there's a whole bunch of different designs of buildings that you can have. Obviously, the more simple the roof line, the easier it is to do something. But I'm going to try to have it going this way, okay? And so I'm going to attempt to actually cut this building in half and glue it back together. The question is, how far off this way do you want it to go? And incidentally, all the cast houses will be put out this far. So I have decided it would be approximately 10 inches, which is about 80 feet. And we'll use this segment here. This is called a combination square. It also has a 45 degree bevel on there too. Okay, there's your line. So it should be straight, hopefully. If my building is square, it will be. And then you can see that right down there, and I'll just take some good sharp scissors and cut this. Okay, now you see that I've done that. So my plan is to mate this section up over into here. And now I'm going to cut right along here, and that should give me the roof line, which should join together. Now you can see it fit together pretty decent. There's some other details that are going here. Excuse me, I'm going to add a floor right up into here. Okay, so that'll give you some idea where the floor should be. Okay, now that that's off from there, I'm going to put some glue in here and these slots here again, and then we'll let it dry. I want you to know that as soon as you get done here, the nozzle plugs up, and then the glue comes out the side, and you wonder what on earth happened there. So, but anyway, I put some glue in there. Take my word for it, it's there. We'll put this thing together. Now, in this situation, you don't have to worry too much about the gap in there, because you can fix that up with masking tape and other things like that. So I'm going to show you how this goes together, and hopefully I'll be able to remove the top of the crystal furnace there and have this thing sticking through the cast house. Okay, that was a success. Excuse me for mispronouncing some things. I do know how to talk. But anyway, this is the Bosch here, and the hearth is up here, and then your tweers would come around here, but since it's going to be enclosed, who cares? I mean, you can put that on there if you like. And so I'm going to put the cast house over the top of this now. Here you can see the bottom half of the furnace, and now we're going to put the top half on. Okay, there you see how that goes. So then the other part of this, this will be open right. I'll cut an opening through here, and then the next cast house, there'll be right over here. There'll be one or two of them together. I haven't decided, maybe two. And then the last one will be over here. Okay. So we'll just let this dry, and then we'll fix this little gap in here with some masking tape after it has dried sufficiently. These roof vents here. Okay, take two. These roof vents here, they're the push buttons to spray cans. Okay, those are.